Hello, Vogelway. It's time for another edition of Tech Bites. Yay! All right, today we're going to talk about accessing your drive and your team drives where all your planning is going to be happening for your current teams and your future teams. Okay, so let's get into our drive by going on any computer, any browser. You can go to www.drive.google.com. Okay, it's going to ask you for your sign in. You put in your student account, first name dot last name at student.dodia.edu, and your password. Yay! All right, you are now in your drive. It says right here, My Drive. Okay, and here are all your folders and documents and photos that you may have put in there. But now we're going to start working on team drives. Over here on the left under your drive is team drives. Okay, you should currently be in a current team drive, right? That says the current grade and the current year. The future team drives, oh, who's in there? Nobody. But as soon as the list comes out, you will be added to the appropriate future team drive. But in the current team drive, all the team drives have sort of the same structure, the same basic folders. Okay, some of you may have been adding certain folders to your team drive, but for the most part, they're all set up the same. You have a CSI Day folder, a lesson plans folder, a literacy folder, a math folder, a science folder, and a shared folder we call it a digital sandbox. It's kind of like your other folder, like your junk drawer of your drive, where you might want to put everything else so that this part of your team drive doesn't get too full of a lot of loose files, right? In each folder, literacy, here's all the units for literacy, math, and science. This is copied in each current and future team drive. One of the benefits about using a team drive versus one person making a shared folder for your team and then sharing that out is that the team drive doesn't go away if that person moves away. So you're not stuck with the one person who made it as the original owner. Once you make a team drive, everyone in it is kind of like the owners. And the team drive exists on its own. So that's why we can leave it in here, for the future teams set up and just add people to it. That way they always kind of exist. All right. That's pretty much it.